Hey everyone, welcome back. Here in this video, we will be learning method overloading. Right, this concept we will be learning. Likewise, there is another concept that is method overriding, but that concept is generally comes with inheritance or oops concept. Here in this video will be basically on method overloading. So if you are new to the channel, just hit the like and subscribe button and share this video as much as possible. So without a further delay, let's start. So here suppose I made a class, two classes. That first class name is demo. Here you can see that demo, and this class does not contain any main method inside it. And the another class that is try, here the main method is there. So let's see what is method overloading. We will be seeing this concept. So suppose I ask you a question that write a program that generally add two number. The question is write a program that add two numbers. So how can you write this? So let's see. Let's take an example, very simple example. We will make a method that accept two parameter and we will add that parameters and then return the result. So let's see. Let's make an method public. The data type is, let's see, int, and here the method name should be let's say sum. Here int num1, int num2, and here we will be returning the result, return num1 plus num2. So this is a very simple program. Here I made a method. Here I made a method uh, public type. Here data type is int and the method name is sum. It is accepting two parameter, that is num1 plus num1 and num2, and here I am directly return the result, that is num1 plus num2. So let's make an object and run this program in our main method. So demo object name, here I give obj new demo. So this is not necessary here, right? So I made an object of my this class, and here by the help of object I will call my method object with the dot operator. Here you can see in the suggestion window my method is there sum, and it is accepting two parameter. So just click on this. Here it is asking me that give me the parameters. So if you don't give, it will take the this value 0 0. So let's give some value 5 and another value, let's say 3, and I am storing it. What is happening? Wait, just wait. Right, I'm storing it inside a variable. I will make a variable return result, int result of integer data type. I will print my result here. So what should be the output? It will be 8. Let's run the program, and here the output is 8, right? But now the requirement is, like suppose you write a program. Let's make things let's play with this. Let's make things more complicated. Suppose the second question is, we'll take the input from the user, take the input from the user. The scenario is we will take input from the user, and the user have a choice. He can give me two parameter. He can give two parameters or three parameters. The user have choice. He can give me two parameters or he can give me three parameters. So what should I do? This is the second scenario. The first scenario was we wrote a program that accept two parameter. We will add that and return the result. But here let's make thing more complicated here. if if the user have option that he can give me 2 parameter or he can give me 3 number, right? So we have, for this what will we do? If I want to write a program that can accept 2 parameter or that can also accept 3 parameters, so what will we do? Suppose the user gave me 3 parameter. The first thing that come in mind, that let's add one more parameter, num3, and here num1 plus num2 plus num3, and then we will return the add one more parameter and return the result. So what will be the output? The output is 10, right? But this time, let's say this time user give only 2 parameter. User gave me only 2 parameter, but here my method is accepting 3 parameter. So for this I have to write another method. So this will be very confusing. To solve this problem, the concept method overloading came in the scenario. Let's see what should we do. Here I already have a method named sum that is accepting 3 parameters. So we will make another method of same name. We will make another method of same name sum that accept only 2 parameters, num1, num2. We'll make a method of same name that accept only 2 parameters. Here let's divide this. Here I have two method of same name sum. The first method accept 3 parameters, the second method accept 2 parameters. Here likewise I will return the result num1 plus num2. Okay, hope you understand till here. So now the user gave 3 parameters. It will give me an output. It will not give me an error. This time user only give 2 parameters. This is also not giving me an error. So let's run the program. Let's save the code, run the program. Here the answer is 8. So according to the parameters, the method is being called. The name is same. We are calling only some method. We are calling this method only. But there are two methods of the same name, and according to the requirement, the compiler call the exact method that we required. So this is this overloading concept reduce the like confusion in the code, right? If I change the name here, if I change the name someone, let's say I make another method of different name that accept different parameter, right? So this will be very confusing. So I have to call, if I want to add only 2 parameters, if I want to add only 2 numbers, so I have to call the someone method, right? Every time if I want to add the 3 numbers, then I have to call the sum parameter, sum method. So this will be very confusing. So we will the concept of overloading tells me that you can make a method of same name that accept different number of parameters. So the key difference will be the number of parameters that your method accept should be different, right? The first key difference should be this. The second difference should be that if you want to add 3 numbers, if you want to add 3 numbers, but you wrote a method that accept 3 parameters, you want to add num1 plus num2 plus num3, but the user gave you the double value like 10.5. User gave you the double value, but the user will only give you 3 values, but the first value is double or of different data types like integer. Here we will accepting integer only. The user can give me the requirement is user will give me 3 parameters, 3 values, but he have choice that he can give me integer value or he can give me the decimal value. So what will we do? We can change the data type. Here if I add the third parameter, it will give me an error that will say the duplicate method is here. The duplicate, you can see the error. The duplicate method is here because this method also accept 3 parameter. This method also accept 3 parameter. So this will give you an error. But what the case is, user will give you the 3 parameter, but he have choice that he can give you the integer value or he can give you the decimal value. So but you cannot give the same number of parameters. So what you will do is you can change the type. Here I can change the type. Here also double. See, the error is gone. So first key difference is the number of parameter it accepts should be different. But in case if the requirement is that parameter will remain same, so you will have to change the data type. If the parameter it accept is same, so we have to change the data type. So the data type should be different, right? These are the two difference that these are the 2 points that you have to keep in mind. First, the number of parameter it accepts should be different, but in case the requirement is the number of parameter will remain same, so you have to change the data type so that your code will not give you an error. Let's say here 5.5. So this will call the second method. This will call the this method because it accepts double value, and double plus int will be double. If I add some double with int, the result should be double, right? So now my output will be 8.5, right? So hope you understand the concept of method overloading, and if you like this video, just hit the like and subscribe button, and guys, do share this video as much as possible, and let's meet in another video. Happy learning, guys. Bye bye.